Hi guys, so we're going to jump straight into this look today, and first of all I'm going to be taking the primer, and the primer I'm going to be using is the Colour Pro Strobe Primer. I love to apply a primer before everything else because I like to let it set into my face whilst I do my eyes. Then I move on to face and foundation. For brows, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Dark Brown. What I really love about this brow definer is the fine lines that the pencil really gives. It looks amazing, it makes your brows look really natural, and you can really get the shape that you want. For lip balm, I'm going to be using the Carmex lip balm, and I like to use this before applying any liquid lipsticks. Now for eyes, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, and I'm going to take the matte white shade, and I'm just going to use that shade to apply it all over my eyes, right up to my brows. Now with that peachy colour, I'm going to use that as my transition colour and start working that into the crease. The doctors say they know what it feels like, how it feels to be at ease. But I'm casting all of my... Back in with that white matte colour, I'm going to use that and start packing that on my lids. In a white eyeliner to line my waterline because I really feel like it brightens up the eye makeup look. I'm not doing any lashes today because this is a very simple nude makeup look, so I'm using the Lash Surge by Collection. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. What I love about this foundation is the coverage is really good, the application is really good. I love the way it kind of sits on your skin. It doesn't oxidize and it doesn't dry, so you can completely do the whole face. You haven't got to do it in sections. Some foundations you have to blend in sections because it dries out. This one doesn't do that. Also, the finish it gives you is just so beautiful. It's like a satin finish. There's no matte, there's no kind of dewy look to it. It's just a really nice satin finish, and I love this foundation so much. I'll take what you prescribe me. I need to be me again. But I'm not somebody's problem. I'm not somebody's fear. Pretty much always use a stippling brush to go over my foundation because I just feel like it blends it in so much nicer, and I'm just ready to kind of put my concealer on now. For concealer, we are going to use the Maybelline Eraser Concealer. Now you guys, this is new to me and I've got a lot to say about this. So basically what I want to say is, wow. It's really good. I've definitely heard great things about this concealer in the past and I just never thought to try it. I absolutely love it. I love the way the product brings such a great amount. So when you twist the top of it, it really brings a great amount and you don't have to keep applying more and more. The coverage is amazing. The applicator is amazing, and I would definitely recommend you guys to go and check out my blog because I've done a full review on this because I have so much to say on it. It's so good. This palette is my holy grail palette. I absolutely love it. This is the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. I love how much product it brings, and it also brings so many good shades. It also allows you to use some of the shades to set your eyes, like as a baking powder, which is really good. I've definitely hit pan with this and I will definitely be repurchasing. So as this is a very natural nude makeup tutorial, I'm just going to be doing a powder contour. I'm not going in with any cream contours. And what I like to use like a round dome brush and just squeeze the bristles together, pick up some product and just kind of contour and then blend it in.
Outside everybody's floating higher up than me. Ooh, you say I'm just too sensitive.
Now I'm going to be using this palette to set under my eyes. I'm going to take the colour Lyric and I'm just going to use a small flat-headed brush and just basically pop that under my eyes. There's no need for baking, you just sweep it away. I'm going to be using the bronzing pearls and this big fluffy brush, and I just like to bronze my face with this and go over the contour. For blush, I'm using the Gosh blush, and this is in the shade Pretty in Pink, and it's just a really nice peachy pink colour. I've been obsessed with this lately. If you've been watching my videos recently, I've been obsessed with this highlighter. I've got so much to say about it, so make sure you check out my blog again, because I have so much to say I just won't be able to fit it in right now. It's one of the most amazingest highlighters I've ever used in my life. It's so good. The pigment is so good. For lip liner, I'm using the W7 in the shade Rust. And that is it, you guys. That is the look that I've created today. So this is a very nude makeup tutorial. We didn't put much on our lips, just a simple lip liner, and it just looks amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to tag me in any pictures where you recreate this look. I would love to see. And also subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me some lovely comments because I love speaking to you guys. Bye.
To feel free again.